Okay guys, this is Saul again. I'm going to give you a quick update on a question that's been asked quite a bit about the spoiler on the car. A lot of people have been wondering the quality of the spoiler. They've been asking how to install it. They've been asking if it helps with the issue that it gathers a lot of dust when you wash the car or when you drive it. It feels, a lot of Macan users feel like there is a lot of dust and debris that gets accumulated into the back window. So I'm going to answer all those questions in this episode.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to cross. I'm moving too far. Get to glass. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast. Didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't. Shining like it's neon. Rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When that's enough, then I just...
Something else that I'm going to be answering is the fact that the spoiler is not going to solve the issue that a lot of Macan users are having about a lot of dust in the back glass of the back window. Reason being is because of the design, the hatch design. If you really think about it, as you drive along, the Porsches are designed to have very good aerodynamics all the way to the back of the vehicle. Now, the wind draft that goes across the roof and the sidelines and all across the back of the car have to come out through the back. Now, because the back hatch has a curved design, naturally the wind is going to spiral as it goes through the vehicle. So that is the reason, and I'm going to explain it through a car wash. What I've done is I did a slow motion video of the and I sprayed a slow motion of the video going through a car wash, and it shows you exactly how the water starts building up into the back of the hatch, to explain as to the reason why you guys see that in the back window. So to answer your question, no, the spoiler is not going to fix that issue, but also it makes it look really good. So it gives it a different edge, it gives it a different look, and in my opinion, it updates the back look that was missing something on the last generation Macan that was fixed with the new LED design all across. But I think if you do subtle details, kind of like what I've done in the car, it gives it that edge and it makes it look like it was a brand new Porsche. Plus, most people can't tell the difference between either car anyhow. But hopefully that answers your questions. I'm going to post a link at the bottom of the video to where you can purchase the spoiler if you do like the design, if you like that one. There was a couple of them that I was kind of going back and forth between the design. I ended up going with this one, but I'm going to post a link to the other one as well that I think gives it it goes well with the car. So take your pick. It is a product that will attach via 3M I will post a link to additional 3M tape if you run short, but it comes with enough 3M tape from the factory, from Amazon, so you should be able to do just fine. But if you make a mistake, just take a blow dryer, heat it up. It comes unglued and detaches from the back of the trunk just like you would any emblem, or how you would debadge any vehicle. So follow the same procedures and you should be able to remove that spoiler. So there you go. Hopefully that answers a lot of questions.